Get ready for an epic month of celestial wonders. April 2026 is like a cosmic blockbuster, offering a front-row seat to some mind-blowing sky events. Imagine a celestial theater unfolding right above us, with a comet stealing the show and a planet parade that's out of this world. Here's a breakdown of what's in store and why it's a stargazer's dream come true. First up, mark your calendars for April 1st. It's not just any full moon. It's the pink moon, a name that sparks curiosity. Despite the name, the moon won't turn pink, but it's a nod to the blooming of Phlox subulata, or moss pink, in North America. What's fascinating is that this full moon will appear brighter and larger than usual, earning the title of a supermoon in the media. It's like nature's way of kicking off the month with a celestial spotlight. Now, let's talk about a tricky character in our solar system, Mercury. On April 3rd, Mercury will be at its greatest western elongation, which basically means it's as far from the Sun as it can get in its orbit. This is a rare chance to spot Mercury with the naked eye, low on the eastern horizon before sunrise. Scientists love these moments because they can study Mercury's thin atmosphere and surface without the Sun's glare getting in the way. It's like having a secret window into the mysteries of this elusive planet. But the real star of the show arrives on April 4th. Comet C/2026A1 MAPS will make its closest approach to the Sun, and this is where things get intense. Comets are like dirty snowballs, made of ice and dirt. When they get close to the Sun, they heat up and create a stunning display of gas and dust, forming a glowing coma and a long tail. This comet might just become the Great Comet of 2026, if it survives the Sun's gravitational pull. Can you imagine seeing its tail during morning twilight? It's like nature's own fireworks display. Speaking of celestial alignments, April 16th to 23rd brings a pre-dawn planet parade. Mercury, Mars, Saturn, and Neptune will form a rare visual cluster in the sky. What's mind-boggling is that while they appear close, they're actually millions of miles apart. This alignment is a goldmine for scientists studying planetary dynamics and calibrating telescopes. It's like a cosmic dance that helps us understand the vast distances and movements in our solar system. Another conjunction worth catching is the Moon, Venus, and the Pleiades on April 18th and 19th. This trio will create a stunning visual display, offering a unique perspective on our cosmic neighborhood. It's moments like these that remind us of the beauty and complexity of the universe. For meteor enthusiasts, the Lyrid meteor shower peaks on April 22nd and 23rd. This shower has a rich history, with records dating back 2,700 years. It's like witnessing a cosmic time capsule as these meteors burn up, leaving trails of ancient debris. NASA keeps a close eye on these events to ensure the safety of satellites and the International Space Station, which is a testament to the power and unpredictability of space. Throughout the month, we can also admire the Whirlpool Galaxy, or Messier 51, in all its glory. This galaxy is engaged in a galactic collision with its smaller companion, NGC 5195. Astrophysicists study this interaction to understand star formation, which is like watching a cosmic ballet of creation and destruction. Lastly, as the Northern Hemisphere approaches summer, the Northern Lights season comes to an end. The increasing daylight makes it challenging to see the aurora, but the solar activity continues to impact our atmosphere. It's a bittersweet reminder that while some celestial shows end, others are just beginning. April 2026 is a cosmic extravaganza, offering a unique blend of science, beauty, and mystery. These events remind us of our place in the vast universe and the wonders that await exploration. So, grab your telescopes, set your alarms, and let's embark on a celestial adventure together.